I don't want to. I don't want to.
You know, that ain't an actual tablespoon, but who cares?
Oh, God.
You said you put this on your popcorn?
I do.
The cups are right here, you know. You got 2 cups. You're a stupid ass kid. You got another cup right here. Just to show you if you haven't seen it, we took garlic powder. It's garlic powder, everyone.